Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Lila Web Dev. So in this video, we will try to learn about the another Android component that is nothing but edit text in Android. So before that, if you are new here, hit the subscribe button and turn on notification. So we are diving deep into the Android development for the beginners. So today we are talking about the edit text in the Android. Edit text is super important component. It's basically how your app gets data from users. Think about login screens, name, last name, password, address. That's all edit text in action. In this video, we'll explore different types of edit text, practice adding them to your layout, and even code to the Kotlin to actually how we can use the user's input. By the end, you will be able to build a simple app where someone types their name, hits a button, and you will be able to show up in a screen. So let's jump in. So we already have the project, right? So if you want to create a new project, so just you can create the new project. So in the look here in the left, if you will be able to see in the palette, in the text, you will be able to see plain text input, right? So that's our starting edit text. So, but under it, there are some cool variants like password numeric, email, phone, so multi-line text. So these all are available in this one, right? So before we add anything, we need to switch our layout. The default is right now is constraint layout. Maybe I'm thinking so. Okay, it is a constraint layout. Yes. But for this linear layout will be very much easier, especially to learn layouts at the same time. So let's jump back into the XML code and directly you change it to the linear layout. Linear layout. So now when you are writing the linear layout, so what it is expecting, it will expect the orientation. So what I will be trying to do, I will try to add the orientation as vertical. That's it. So now let's drag the plain. So let's go to our design view. Let's drag the plain text input. So here I have dragged the plain text input. So here you'll be able to see the name. Now I will give it an ID. So edit text person name or something like that. We can give the ID. So let's try to take this one and here let's go to the ID. So here name. Okay. So name input. I will try to do name input. I will refactor this one all. So fine. Now, so this shows name inside until the user types. Let's go and let's try to see the output for this one. So how it will look like, we'll try to see it. So here we are able to see the output for this one. So let's try to minimize this one. Yeah. So here we are able to see the name. So let's try to stop this one and here let's minimize this. Yeah, fine. Let's go to another one. So I will be trying to show you this one and we will be having another one something like password. Okay, and we have another one something like password numeric and we have another one something like multi-line text. So let's try to see this output, how it will look like. Why is this one showing error? Let's try to see. Okay, this item may not have a label readable by screen readers. Okay, fine. So let's try to run this one. So let's try to see the output, how it will look like. So now in the output, if you try to see here, we are able to get only the numeric output. And here in this, if I click, this is the password. And here, this is the multi-line text. If I go on writing this one, so you'll be able to see the second line and all those things. So this is the multi-line text. We are able to see it, right? And this name, so we'll try to show. Right now, we are not able to show it. Okay, it went into the system UI. So we'll try to design it, that one. So this is how we will be having it. So now let's try to do our own thing. So let's try to stop this one and we'll try to design the layout design. We'll try to do it. So I am deleting this entire thing. Okay, so I am deleting this entire thing. Right. So this is our main vertical, right? So let's try to have a plain text. So this one is the plain text I am having, and inside this one, so I would be trying to add a button. Okay, I will be trying to add a button, and here I will try to show the text view. So here what I would be trying to do it is, so whenever the user types on anything and he clicks on the button, I need to show that whatever the user types in, I need to show it in the text view. So fine. So here we have designed the layout, right? Let's go to the edit text. So this button. So here let's try to apply the margin for this. Okay. So I will be applying the margin for this one, layout margin, and yeah, layout margin top I will try to give 50 dp. So yeah, we got it. And for this button, so here I will try to do layout margin, and the top I will try to give around 30 dp. So fine. And the text view also I will try to give around layout margin top of 30 dp. Fine. So now we have designed the layout for this button, and let's try to give this id. Let's remove this one all. And for this main layout, what I will be trying to do, I will try to apply the background color for this. So background color, it will be around, sorry, so background color will be something like blue color. I will try to keep it. Okay, so here this is the blue color. I will keep it. Yeah, this is the blue color. Now what I would be trying to do is this one, I need to change the background color for this one. So where can I change this background color? Let's try to check it. Background color. Okay, so here the background color I will change it to white. So it has been changed to white, and we need to apply the padding so that it will look nice. So padding, so padding, how, what I would be trying to do is, so padding start, padding top, and padding vertical I will try to add something around 10 dp. Okay, yeah, it's looking somewhat nice. And the button also, so here the id I will try to give it. So here let's try to remove this entire thing. id I will try to give name input. Refactor it. Yeah, fine. Let's go to the button. So it's looking somewhat fine. Let's go to the button. So button will be what I will say. Let's say that what we can see. So anything button. Okay, let's try to take it as a button. Okay, let's refactor this one. So here I would be trying to keep it as okay. So this is the okay, and this is the and I want to change the background color for this one. So here I can apply a background color of something like red, and I can change the text color. So text color will be somewhere here on the text color. I will be changing it to white. Okay, let's try to check it. Yeah, fine, it's looking fine. And I will try to apply a bold, and let's try to give some text size of around 20 dp. Okay, fine. And now this is the text view. So text view also, what I would be trying to do it is, so here text view I can do something like uh, text result. So whatever the result we are having, we will be trying to show it here. Fine. And here I can use something like result. And what I want to do, I want to change the background color for this one. So background color for this one will be white. So white. And I want to apply the padding all the places. So here let's search for padding. Okay, so padding vertical, so I can use 10 dp. Fine, right? So let's try to see. So here we are having something like some error we are getting. Item height is 44 dp and 48 dp. Okay, fine. So here you can check it as an, oh sorry, nah, yeah, height. So minimum height we can take it as an 48 dp. No, not this one. So here I can take it as an 48 dp. Yeah, so this one got set. So fine. So now this one is looking somewhat better, but I don't want like this. So what I can do it is this main vertical I will take it, and here I will try to add the layout width. Instead of having like this, I will add 300 dp. Okay, oh sorry, so unnecessarily we are keeping for the layout. So here for this name input, so instead of having layout width, I will keep it as 300 dp. Yeah, it is looking somewhat fine. And this one also I will keep 300 dp. And text result, last one is the text result, and I will apply this one also 300 dp. Fine. So now I want to make this center. So here let's go to the gravity. So here you can go to the gravity, and in this gravity you can make it as a center horizontal to true. Okay, automatically this one will become center. And if you want to decrease the uh, what I want to say is the this one to 200, we'll try to make it as a 200. So this one looks somewhat fine. And let's try okay, fine, let's keep it. And another one what I wanted is, so that's it. So now this one is looking somewhat better, right? So let's try to take this one is the text result, this one is the OK button, button OK, and name input. Let's go to our main activity, and here I would be trying to take private late init where text input of type text edit text. Okay, and another one is private late init where so button OK button, we'll try to say it as an OK button of type button, and the another one is private late init where text result. So whatever the result we are having, we will try to show it in the text view. That's it. So now we are having three variables, and now here in this one, so what I would be trying to do it is text input is equal to find view by id of r dot id dot okay r dot id dot. So here this is the text result, sorry not text result, name input, and here you will be having OK button, right? OK button is equal to find view by id of r dot id dot OK button, right? Button. Okay, and another one is last one is text result is equal to find view by id of r dot id dot so text result. Last one is the text result. Fine. So now when this OK button dot set on click listener is there, then I want to take the where user input is equal to text input dot text dot to string, right? So I took the input, and here what I can do it is, so where what is it saying? Okay, it's not verified, so why? Now what I want to do, so text result dot text is equal to user input. That's it. So now let's try to check the output for this one. Okay, so it's telling that it can declare as val. Val is nothing but, so when you don't want to change it, means you can declare it as in val. So now fine, let's try to execute this code and we'll see whether we can able to see the output or not. So now if you try to see the output, so here I would be trying to okay, so here I would be trying to write the name whatever I want it. Okay, so now I will try to click on the button. So here I would be able to get the output. See, so now if I want to make this one as a center, so you can go to our main activity.xml, and here I can minimize it, and this result, let's go to the gravity, and in this gravity you can make it as a center, so the output will be in the center. So now if I try to check the output for this one, so you will be able to see the output. So here whatever the value I am trying to write it here, so here, and if I click on the OK, I can able to see the output. So this is where we can design the text view. So there are different types of text views, right? So in this way we can able to access the text view and we can design the layout. That's it guys about this edit text thing. So hope you understood about this concept. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.